Greetings and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will be discussing Neville Goddard's teachings and the critical role that thoughts play in our lives. Neville Goddard was a well-known spiritual instructor who stressed the importance of imagination, assumptions, and thoughts in our lives. According to him, our thoughts hold great power and can shape our reality. It's crucial to comprehend the significance of thoughts in our lives, because if we don't use them prudently, they might have adverse consequences. In this video, I will be sharing some valuable insights on how to invest your thoughts to manifest the life you desire. But before we get started, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. By doing so, you will receive notifications about our high-quality content on the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings. It will also enable you to stay up to date with the latest insights and practices in this area. Beginning with one of Neville Goddard's popular quotes, "Every moment of time, I'm either spending or investing." Regrettably, many of us spend the coin of heaven and reside in unproductive states throughout the day. Such moments are non-refundable. Conversely, we could have invested them instead of spending them. By doing so, we could have accumulated a magnificent portfolio by the end of the day. Neville is referring to investing in thoughts rather than finances. When we invest money, we expect to earn a profit. Similarly, what we invest our time and energy in now will determine our future. The same principle applies to our thoughts. The thoughts we entertain today shape our reality for tomorrow. Our thoughts determine our state of mind and shape our reality, much like the yield on an investment. When we focus our thoughts on negative, unwanted, or unfavorable things, we tend to encounter unpleasant experiences in life since our life reflects our thoughts. Hence, it's essential to be mindful of our thoughts and examine them frequently, daily, hourly, and even by the minute. If we neglect to monitor our thoughts, we may unwittingly create undesirable outcomes. You might be thinking if it's possible to control your thoughts. Experts say we have around 70,000 thoughts every day, which is a lot to control. However, we can learn to think about the things we want to think about, and that's the easiest way to control our thoughts. This helps us manage our thoughts in a better manner over the long term as well. Our primary and daily thought patterns can be regulated as they have a substantial influence on our lives. Although the impact of each thought might appear trivial, it is our recurrent and routine thoughts that shape our existence and lifestyle. Therefore, our predominant thought patterns hold paramount importance as they impact our lives significantly. Initially, altering one's thoughts may not come effortlessly or comfortably. If a person's life has been inundated with unchecked, irrational, and pessimistic thoughts of apprehension and uncertainty, transitioning to optimistic thoughts can be arduous and unusual. Nonetheless, if one desires to alter and revolutionize their life, it is unequivocally necessary. The truth is that many of us are in the habit of negative thinking. We have been indulging in negative thoughts for an extended period, making it challenging to seize this pattern. Some negative thoughts have been solidified into firm beliefs and become ingrained in our nature, leading to an addiction. Unfortunately, we find ourselves unable to distance ourselves from these negative thoughts and cannot expect different outcomes from the same patterns of thinking. The statement goes, if you keep on doing the same, you will keep on getting the same. Therefore, to experience something dissimilar, it is imperative to cultivate different thoughts, For a positive and fulfilling life, investing in positive and empowering thoughts is crucial. It is essential to remember the power of our thoughts, which can shape our reality. Hence, it is prudent to invest wisely in thoughts and witness a remarkable transformation in life. It's true that our thoughts play a significant role in shaping our reality, but the challenge lies in controlling and directing our thoughts towards a positive and productive outcome. It's not always easy to identify and manage our thoughts, especially when we have been conditioned to think and behave in a certain way. However, the good news is that with a little effort and practice, we can retrain our minds to think positively and productively. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by developing a daily meditation practice. Meditation is a powerful tool for training the mind to become more aware of our thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. By practicing meditation regularly, we can learn to observe our thoughts without judgment and gain insight into our mental patterns and habits. When we meditate, we focus on the present moment and let go of distractions and negative thoughts. This allows us to create a space in our minds where we can cultivate positive and empowering thoughts. With time and practice, we can develop the ability to replace negative thoughts with positive ones and retrain our minds to think more productively and positively. One of the most effective forms of meditation for controlling our thoughts is mindfulness meditation. In this practice, we focus on our breath and observe our thoughts as they come and go. We do not engage with our thoughts or judge them, but simply observe them and let them pass by. Over time, this helps us to become more aware of our thought patterns and to identify negative thoughts that are holding us back. Another form of meditation that can be helpful for controlling our thoughts is visualization meditation. In this practice, we use our imagination to create a mental image of the reality we desire. By visualizing this reality in detail and focusing on the positive emotions associated with it, we can help to manifest this reality in our lives. In addition to mindfulness and visualization meditation, there are many other forms of meditation that can be beneficial for controlling our thoughts, such as mantra meditation, loving kindness meditation, and movement meditation. The key is to find a form of meditation that works for you and to practice it consistently. Another way to control our thoughts is by surrounding ourselves with positive influences. It can have a significant impact on our lives. When we surround ourselves with positive people, we are more likely to be influenced by their positive attitudes and behaviors. Positive people encourage and motivate us to be our best selves, which can lead to greater success and happiness. Similarly, reading uplifting books, watching inspiring movies, and listening to motivating music can also have a positive impact on our thoughts and actions. These positive influences help us to focus on our goals and to stay motivated, even when faced with challenges and obstacles. Books are a great source of positive influence because they offer insights and wisdom that can help us navigate through life's challenges. Uplifting books can inspire us to think positively and develop a more positive outlook on life. They can also provide us with the tools and strategies we need to overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. Watching inspiring movies can also have a positive impact on our thoughts and emotions. These movies can teach us valuable lessons about perseverance, determination, and the importance of staying focused on our goals. They can also provide us with a sense of hope and encouragement, which can be especially helpful during difficult times. Listening to motivating music is another way to surround ourselves with positive influences. Music has a way of speaking to our emotions and inspiring us to take action. Motivating music can help us stay focused on our goals and push through challenging times. It's important to note that not all influences are positive, and it's important to be mindful of the media we consume. Negative influences, such as violent or depressing media, can have a detrimental effect on our mental health and overall well-being. It's essential to be intentional about the media we consume and choose sources that uplift and inspire us. It's important to remember that manifesting the life we desire is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to embrace change. By developing a positive and productive mindset and focusing our thoughts and actions towards our goals, we can create the life we desire and live the life of our dreams. So, if you're struggling to manifest the life you desire, take a step back and examine your thought patterns. Identify any negative thoughts and work towards replacing them with positive ones. Surround yourself with positive influences and focus your thoughts and actions towards your goals. With time and effort, you will create the life you desire and experience the joy and abundance that comes with it. As this video comes to a conclusion, do share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. How do you control your thought patterns to manifest that which you desire? Also, do consider sharing this video with a loved one and subscribing to our channel as we bring you more life-expanding content in the days to come. Thank you for watching.